Hello chat, welcome. How are you guys doing? For episode 7, Ancient People of the Nez Perce National Forest in Idaho. We got 11,000 years or more of something, I can't even remember it. And guys, don't forget you guys can pause the video. So I'm going too fast. I'm just going crazy today. Then I open this up and then we go to 6. Oh my, yeah. Then another song, my, yeah. Chat, we almost lost connection, chat. Hold up. Yeah. Stone tools was an interesting fact of that. 1690, the horse had reached the Shoshone people of southern Idaho. That's interesting. Thank you. I'll see you later, my chicken nuggets. Goodbye!